So I'm going to show you how to connect this printer your home or office Wi-Fi network. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and go to the display panel. On the display panel, as we can see here, it says Wi-Fi setup. So if you don't see this screen, just click on the setting button and it will come up on the setup mode. Now click OK, and here it says easy Wi-Fi connect. Next is manual connect. So manual connect is like we actually can manually find the Wi-Fi network name and enter the password through this keypad. So click OK. It is searching for the available wireless routers. Once you see the available router, and if you see this is the right one, just click OK and click OK again, and it will ask the password to enter. And to enter the password is quite easy, as all the display panel shows up details here. So you have to use this keypad, and this is the tone button. When you press it, I'll show you here, it will change the size of the alphabets to uppercase, then numbers, and then lowercase. So use that. Now enter the password and click OK. Now it says connecting. Now wait for the connection, and it might take 1 or 2 minutes. And once you see the OK message on the screen, that means your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network of your home and office.